Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering off or using airplane mode. This prevents accidental taps and keeps things calm. Once you've got a bright, dust-free workspace, pull a corner of the old protector with a fingernail or thin card. Go slowly. Peeling fast can leave adhesive residue or crack the film. As you lift, keep the protector flat and steady. Avoid bending tempered glass sharply. If it resists, stop and warm it briefly with your breath or a hairdryer on low, then try again. Once the old protector is off, clean the screen thoroughly with 70% isopropyl on a microfiber cloth. Wipe in one direction to avoid streaks. Make sure to remove every dust mote using dust stickers, especially near edges and sensors. Now hold the new protector above the screen and align to the camera, speaker, and edges. This is the critical step. Make a hinge using tape or a 1/2 strip method to keep it perfectly aligned, so when you lower it, it lands squarely without shifting. You lower the protector slowly from the hinge and press gently at the center to start adhesion. Then push remaining air out toward the edges using your fingers. If small bubbles persist, use a soft card wrapped in microfiber to nudge them out. Work from center to edge. If the protector is misaligned, carefully peel it off and redo the hinge alignment. Do not force repositioning. Key troubleshooting tip. Persistent adhesive residue may need a dedicated adhesive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.